So in this section, we're working on translating words or sentences into math equations. So going from words to math. Something that you'll see in your notes is this chart. If you haven't already, print this thing out, put it in your notebook. This is a very good reference as to which words are going to clue you into which operation. So you'll see over here, any word that adds, sum, increased by, more, combined, plus, and together, all of those mean addition. Same thing with my subtraction. Subtract, difference, decrease by, minus, take away. Multiplication, you'll see your words there. Division, you'll see those. Equal sign. These two words at the bottom are the most important. So you'll see your parenthesis words. I didn't list them all. However, you can see anything that is similar to times the difference of, twice the sum of, plus the difference of, anything that has that similar format is going to be a parenthesis word. That means you're going to put the second part, you're going to put this in the parentheses. So you have times, and then the difference of is what's going to go in the parentheses. You'll have the twice, the two, and you have the sum of, that part in parentheses, and same thing with the difference of down here. Now the big ones are these, what I call turnaround words. These are where people get most confused. Anytime you see less than, so something is less than a number, or 5 less than a number, that is going to be a turnaround word. Turnaround meaning that you're going to flip the order. You'll have whatever order it is in the words, when you put it in the equation, you're going to reverse it. Same thing with from. Subtracted from, difference from. Anytime you see less than or from, you're going to flip the order. And we'll do an example in the video. So that chart right there is very important to help you get through these problems. All right, so let's do them. First example, 8 decreased by a number. So you have the number 8 decreasing by, well, the word decreased is subtraction, so it's not a turnaround word, so you keep the order the same. 8 decreased by a number, we're just going to call a generic n. So 8 decreased by n. 8 minus n. Okay, next one, 5 less than a number, all divided by 9. So I'm going to take it piece by piece. 5 less than a number. Well, if you look back at the previous chart, less than is one of my turnaround words. So I'm going to actually have to flip the order. So in the question, it says 5 less than a number. That would be 5 and n. Turnaround means I'm going to flip it. So I'm going to put my n up front. N minus 5, 5 less than a number, all divided by division, all divided by 9. So I have n minus 5 divided by 9. And again, that is because less than is one of my turnaround words. Okay, next example, 8 times the sum of 3 and a number. So hopefully you've clued in. Times the sum of, that is one of my parenthesis words. 8 times, well, that means multiplication. So I have 8 times the sum of 3 and a number. So sum means addition. So I have 3 and a number, 3 plus n. You can write this as n plus 3. Order doesn't matter over addition. So that's why the turnaround words only deal with subtraction, because order you can flip it around. Either one of those would be correct. 3 plus n or n plus 3.